This was a great day for me, even though I came all the way to Abu Dhabi from Washington, D.C., because I can't always participate in the other hosted buyer client events, so I was able to get work done, meet with venues where I'm currently meeting, and do some business, but also learn about new venues and destinations, which I had never heard of, so that was really valuable today. This is my first time at ADNEC, and I love this convention center. I was so appreciative of being able to see the destination and the venue, the hotels, gorgeous. And I really like some of the innovative ideas, but most importantly, I hope that the other destinations who are present here, our hosts, also got some ideas. The beautiful furnishings, options like the hive that you don't see for free in other destinations that can be used in so many creative ways. Beautiful furnishings, beautiful carpet options, and food trucks. Really exciting.
I thought the workshop was really informational. It was great to be able to connect with so many different venues and also with colleagues and to be able to exchange ideas. This is my first time here, and it was just wonderful. I just loved how it was all organized, the amount of time we have, and just a lot of fun. It's a beautiful venue, just a lot of great cool things. The room we're in here is just great, and a way for us to be creative and collaborative with other people. That's the thing that I think we're all moving toward for conferences. So this is definitely giving me ideas for myself, just to think, what can we do to change up our space for meetings?
So for me, these kinds of events, when it's a small one-on-one session like that, a target market for me to have an opportunity to sit in a small period of time and have a very focused conversation, that's what I really like about this ICCA event. The larger events where there's hundreds of vendors, they're good, but these are great. This venue is not only large enough for the biggest trade shows, but it also has ability to make a more intimate event. So for me, we're looking for 1,100 delegates in 22 breakout rooms. So even though down the hall there could be some large trade show, we still have our area that we could be in. And then you have this contemporary space that's very creative and can be done in multiple settings. And they just have a unique way of looking at the meeting space. And so that was really exciting.